Well, debate is set to begin today on a so-called Get Back to Work bonus. Massachusetts lawmakers will discuss an amendment to the 2022 budget that would pay unemployed residents up to $1,200 if they get a job. The proposal would use funds from the American Rescue Plan to pay people $400 for securing a job, another $400 after 6 months of employment, and a third $400 payment after a full year of continuous employment. Several other states, including Connecticut and New Hampshire, have announced plans for similar moves.